All right, I'm on a ski lift, just got on down there, and by the time I get up there in about a minute, I'm gonna create 3 questions and save them to a dashboard. I'm gonna do that all from my phone. Check it out. The first thing I'm gonna do is open up the Zing Data mobile app. Now I'm gonna type support for my support table. I'm gonna sum the hours worked, and I'm gonna group that by topic. I run the query live against my cloud data warehouse. I save the question with the name I want, and I'm gonna go back to the home screen. Now I want to go look at one of my different data sources. This one contains information about how many of my orders are discounted. So I type that using natural language, and Zing connects to OpenAI. I run my query and save down my new question. Great, one more question to go. Now I'm going to ask Zing, using natural language, how many of my products are out of stock. Zing runs the question, I'm going to save it down, and all this data is going to be live, so if I rerun this question later and my database has been updated, I'm always going to be looking at the latest results. I go to the home screen and hit the plus icon by dashboard, and now I just drag the questions that I just created into my dashboard. I'll name my dashboard, hit save, and I'm good to go. So we asked 3 questions from scratch from our phone, we put them all in a dashboard, and we're not even at the top of the ski lift. Nice. You can check this out for free and do it on your own at zingdata.com. That's zingdata.com. There's an iOS app, there's an Android app, and you can even do it on the web.